How to view all commands in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can list it out. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Here on the bottom, there's an option called Help. Tap on Help and here's a drop down. Here you'll be able to find the option called Show All Commands. Simply tap on Show All Commands. So this is the list out of every command that is available. Now if you have any confusion, you can even later customize it, but make sure that you know it all. So these are the commands that will help you code faster and use VS Code easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.